How to make Upwork projects that rank quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can create Upwork projects that actually rank and that will actually enable you to get more jobs. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to log on to your Upwork account over here, and then you're just going to go into the section of your own work. So you're going to click on find work, and then below that, you're going to click on your own profile. So over here, you're actually going to begin adding your project. Now, you can click on my project dashboard to begin adding your project as well. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on create a project, and then you're going to enter what kind of project that you're going to be fulfilling for your client. Now, there are some simple tips that you need to follow to get a good project that ranks high. So the first thing is the title of your project. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have a clear and concise title statement, because you don't want to be overtly long, but you don't want to exactly make it too short where you're not explaining yourself well enough. So a concise statement on what you're going to do for the person. So let's say that I am a graphic designer. So what you're going to do is, for an example title, you can say something like, you will get a super stylish, minimalistic logo for your business with alternative options as well. So something along those lines. So you can see they also have some examples for you to get started with. So revamp resume tailored to your next job, 3 hours of social media marketing consultation. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on over here, and the first 3 words will be, you will get a, and then you're just going to add the title for the rest of your project. So what are you doing? So what you're going to do is we're going to enter a very suitable title for a logo designer. So over here, I've added all of the details about my project. So you will get a fantastic, funky logo for your business with multiple color options. Now, why I added with multiple color options, this is to distinguish myself from the competition. So if you are able to fit within 3 to 4 words, something that will distinguish you from the competition. So a lot of people are definitely going to be providing logo services and providing funky logos as well. So with multiple color options is a feature that I am highlighting in the title, and that will catch the eye of clients and get me more jobs. Now, below that, you have to select your category. So you're going to click on browse all categories. You're going to select a category from over here. You're going to select design, and then you're just going to add, so you're going to add logo design, and then you're going to click on save. Make sure you're selecting the correct category for your client, and make sure that it is the correct category for the design, because if you add logo designing in maybe home and lifestyle, then people that are looking in home and lifestyle, they don't want logos, so they won't ever hire you, and your project will go to waste. So after that, you have to add your project attributes. So what will be the style of the logo? Let's say this is going to be a brand mark, letter mark, and a mascot. So maybe these are the 3 designs that I am going to create. Then I can add the industry if I want. So this is totally optional. I would recommend that you can choose up to 10 if you want. So you can just choose any of these logos, any of these industries that you want to be working for. If you have previously experienced or worked in any industry previously, then make sure to select those. But you can just select any few of these random ones just to expand your portfolio, just like that. And then after that, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and choose your file format. So what are the formats that you will be providing the logos in? So let's say I'm providing them in PNG, JPEG, PDF. And after that, you're going to add your search tags. Now, these are super essential to add. Make sure you never skip this, because although you might think, oh, this is optional, I can skip it, it is one of the most essential things to add. So over here, you're just going to add some keywords, as you would usually add keywords to other video formats or any other thing. In that way, you're going to be adding search tags. So make sure you add some relevant search tags such as logo or graphic design. So once you type in a few words, they're going to show you some suggestions as well. Logo design, 2D logo reveal, logo animation, So you can see over here, I've added a few tags and they have a maximum of 5 tags. So make sure that the tags that you are adding are relevant to the work that you're doing. And then you're just going to click on save and continue, and you're going to move on to the next section of your project catalog, which is the pricing. Now, you can choose to create a single project where you only have like one standard, or you can create 3 tiers. I would recommend that you actually go ahead and create 3 tiers, and on the advanced, just add like a very specific feature that you might feel like might entice the people that are looking to hire you. So the custom title for the starter version could be logo with 3 color alterations. Then the standard version could be logo with 3 color options and maybe a business card design. And then on the advanced version, you can add all of the previously stated, plus you would also get 5 or 6 different color combinations. And then you can add your custom description. So make sure that the custom description that you are adding is a detailed version of what you're going to provide, what is going to be the difference between the two, because you're going to be selling this at different prices. So over here, you're just going to add. So you can see over here, you've added the description, and make sure it illustrates the differences between all 3 of these. Then you're going to add the delivery days. So maybe for the basic, the lowest paid version, you are going to take 3 days. Then you can add 3 days on the standard, and then on the advanced version, you can maybe add 2 days just to entice people into going ahead and purchasing the advanced version. And then you can choose the number of revisions that you provide. So maybe you provide 3 revisions. So just to highlight the advanced version, you're going to make it more upgraded. And a very, very big thing is that the difference between the starter and standard, obviously there should be some differences, but they shouldn't be too stark. So that will actually enable you to make sure that most people would purchase the advanced version, because it will seem like it's more value for money. So the number of initial concepts, and then you're going to choose your service tier options as well. And then you're just going to choose the project price. So on the lowest version, you're going to add 10, then you can add 14, and then you can actually add 18, and this will enable you to get more people to go ahead and purchase the premium version. Then you're going to upload the image, video, and sample documents if you choose to do so. So over here, you're just going to upload the images and videos. Now, once you have uploaded your images and videos, you're going to add any of the requirements that you need from the client to get started. So you can add requirements as your need. So maybe if they have a preferred style, you can add, some questions, some multiple choice questions, like what would be their preferred gender that they're targeting, or something like that. And then you can add something like character, or name logo. And then you're just going to click on add. And then after that, you're just going to add a project description. And then you're just going to add how the project is going to be like, and what is going to be different from other clients as well. And just like that, then you're just going to move on to the review section. So these are just some of the tips that you can follow to rank your Upwork project higher. Now, I would actually recommend that you go ahead and go on Upwork. And once you go on Upwork, I would suggest that you actually search for the similar things that you are searching for. So you're going to click on logo, and you're going to search for similar people that are providing the same service, and you're going to look at their projects as well and do something to highlight or emphasize the fact that you are different from the other competitors, or set a lower price than the competitors for you to be able to get more bookings. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.